Just for the record, just explain na sa yung perang to.
Dininig na nga si MTRCB Chairman Lola Soto sa Senado para sa kanilang taunang budget, at nagpadagdag pa ng 10,000 honorarium kada session sa mga MTRCB members. Bagamat maraming katanungan, mukhang suportado naman ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada ang kahilingan ni Lola Soto.
How many board members does MTRCB have?
We have 30 board members and 1 vice chairman.
All appointed by the President.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
How much is your sinking fund as we speak?
Right now, it is 616,164,818.35.
So, have you written the DBM with regard to this
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
fund? So, how much have you requested?
130,612,000.
130 million. All right. What was the answer of the Department of Budget?
They approved. They
approved it.
recommended
Okay.
the budget.
So, okay na kayo sa budget nito? You can live with this
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
budget?
Yes.
No more increase? Wala.
No.
Wala na pala tayong pag-usapan eh. Okay na. So, yung wish list ninyo, you're asking for additional 5 million. Sige, pakiusapan lang natin. I will talk with the DBM para pagbigyan.
Thank you po, Mr. Chairman.
5 million, madali na yun.
Thank you po.
Meron ba tiga DBM dito? DBM? Sino tiga DBM?
None po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, I would like to acknowledge the presence of the late May Pingan. All right. There is a wish list of the agency. First, the honorarium of the board members of the MTRCB. They're asking if they could possibly request that the 10,000 honorarium per board meeting be given to the board members for their attendance in attending the board meeting, which will amount to around roughly 5.1 million per year. Pwede ba nila kunin sa sinking fund yun?
Subject to evaluation of the OPCCB po.
Total 5 million lang naman to. Kaya? Kinikindatan mo eh. Honorarium di pwede.
Still under evaluation po.
Okay, under other professional services, salaries of additional job orders, TRCB amounting to 19 million. Ano ito?
The increase was intended for the Responsabling Panonood program, sir, which is the flagship program of...
Evaluate nyo pa yung honorarium, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yung kanina sinabi ko sa job orders, pwede?
Job orders po, pwede naman po siya kasi po it's under operations po ng MTRCB. Yes po.
So, dagdag mo na yung ni-request nila. How much did you request from the sinking fund? 84 million?
22 million, Mr. Chairman.
32.
Wala pa dito yung ito, no? Ay, sulat nyo na. Para ma-action na nila.
The usual advice that we get from the DBM is to realign the budget.
Realign? Ano yung realign mo dun?
Realign, sir, from the same allotment, sir.
Is that allowed?
No po, Mr. Chair.
O eh, ba't sabi nito? Realign niya.
I stand corrected.
Hindi, ang mabuti pa, ano ba, ang pangalan mo? Hindi, si nakabarong. Attorney
Sansaro na po, sir.
Sumulat na lang kayo sa DBM. Mas simple yun. Okay, sa naman magre-realign ka, alam mo naman bawal. Okay? Sumuti na gano'n. Parang simple lang. At least kayo naman, dapat pumayag kayo. Ha? Okay, sir. Pag pumayag kayo, wala na tayong pag-usapan.
Subject to evaluation po, sir.
Mihirit ka pa, ha? Anyway, okay na? Ako, wala na akong tatanong. Unless you want to say something pa. Nakuha ka sa kindat, ha?
Samantala tuluyan nang nasuspend ang Showtime dahil denied ang motion to reconsideration ng ABS at GMA at hindi na aapela sa Malacanang at pansamantalang mamamaalam sa October 14 at papalitan ng ibang show.